How to add custom icons in Shopify. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. First of all, embed the app in Shopify and click on save. Go back to the app and click on create new badge. Here you need to select product page, cart page or checkout trust. I am selecting product page. Select this badge type. Here you can see badge type, single banner, icon block, minimal icons, payment icons. I want to add custom icon in icon block. As you can see, this is the icon. You can simply remove this icon and upload a custom icon from here. Here you can see the option upload icon. Click it here. Here you can upload custom icon from here and then click on save. If you want to add another custom icon, you can simply upload icon, upload it here and then click on save. As you can see, the custom icons have now uploaded. If you want to add another icon, you can simply add new icon. If you want another, you can add new one. You can add another one as well. After that, click on continue to design. Here you can change the template as well from here. After that, click on placement. Here you can select for all products, for specific products, for all products in the specific collection. If you want for specific products, simply click it here. Here you need to select the product. I am selecting this product. Click on add. After that, click on publish. As you can see, your badge was successfully published to your store. Now check in the product. As you can see, the icons are now showing. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.